Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox this Soulblight Gravelords Deathrattle army set. So we've got the front here, some nice artwork, and we've got the back. So look at what it's containing, the box. So Battletome, Warscroll Cards and 26 miniatures. Here we've got I'll look at the miniatures. Looking really nice. So yeah, let's open it up. So first off, some of the sprues here for the new grave guard, or what they call them now. I'm looking forward to putting these together, and I guess one more sprue of the same kind, both halberds and swords. And some more of the same kind here. We've got these single ones. Maybe they're just the same. Some more of those. And here we've got a new Black Knight. And I guess our leader with an imposing base here. And some more of our cavalry. Nice details on these ones. And some more of our Deathrattle skeletons. More of the same bases or sprues as before. Here we've got a big one for the rest of our horse unit. And one cavalry base, I guess. Oh, and we have one odd looking, maybe some front armor for one of our skeletons. And then we've got the rest down here. We've got some bases here for the Deathrattle skeletons, Black Knights, and our leader. Let's have a look inside. Always coming in these nice boxes. That's very nice. So our new tome. And the bag also. Really nicely done here. And of course some gold details. Just have a flicker through here. Some nice artwork. And so on and so forth. So yeah, And we've got, just in a bit, an assembly guide, but just have a look at these cards one at a time. If I can manage to get them out. So we've got some raw scrolls here on both sides. Barrow Knights, that's what they're called. Barrow Guard. We've got some battle traits, formation and so on. That's the one, and let's have a look at the other one. That's specifically for Spearhead games. So a lot of updates for our units here. Yeah. So some things for Spearhead and a lot just for Age of Sigmar. And let's have a look at the assembly guide in the end. So yeah. So an overview of what's in the box, and we've got our different builds for our models. So first off, the Witch King on his steed. Nice looking base here. And either a king or a lord. I've got both options here. And then we've got some Barrow Knights over here. Once again, either with a sword or a lance. And a banner bearer if you want to. Nice looking musician here. Really getting some details on these models, so yeah. And we've got our guards, Barrow Guards here. Of course, with some command options too. Well, that was it for this nice box of goodies. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.